can't find out, but I won't move. We got plenty of gas, but ain't gonna get very much. Oh, well, come on, you ought to come get here. Can you get there from here? Oh, God, there you come on. Put him out this misery. What's going on? We have the two winners! Give them a hand, ladies and gentlemen! 54-14, and you kick down! See what you could have on me? God damn you have! We could have made you a lot of money! What? You would have changed him a long time ago. We'll come back Saturday night and prove it. You what? You raise it with dancing. 50-50 tickets,